Before solving this problem, let us understand what does lexicographically smallest equivalent string. What does lexicographically smallest mean? So I'm going to the Google and search that the string that comes first when arranging all possible strings in alphabetical order. So let us remember this that the string which is in comes before or first, right, in alphabetical order when the characters are arranged in alphabetical order. So I'm going to our question and I have given with Parker and Morris are two strings. Now what I have to do is P and M, right? So if you look at the description, they have said that uh, A is equal to A, reflexivity, symmetry, A is equal to B, B is equal to A, transitivity, A is equal to B, and B is equal to C implies A is equal to C. That means S1 is having A, B, C, C, D, E, something like this. And if something like here, if I have P and M, that means A and B are equal. So I'll write it P, comma M. Now, A and then O, they are equal. I'll write that two, A and O. Now, R and R, they both are equal, but I'll write it one time, that's it. Now, K and R are equal. Now, I have R again, right? I also got this R, but I didn't get K, so I'll push back K here itself. Now, I got E and I got I. So, E, comma I. This is one set, something like that. Now, R and S. R is already present and I am pushing this S again. Now, for P, where is this P? Yes, here it is. Now, I'll write the P again like this. Now, A, where is this A? A is here, right? This is equivalent string. Now, where is R? R is here, right? I'll write this R. And S, where is S? Here, and I'll write this S. Where is E? I'll write this E. And then where is R? I write this R. But this is not lexicographically smallest. This is equivalent string. Of course, this is equivalent string, but this is not lexicographically smallest string. How do I get lexicographically smallest string? So, where is this R? Should I go and see this? I got RKS, right? So, if I take this and convert it into alphabetical order, M comes before P, perfect, and A comes before O, perfect. R, K, S, M, N, O, P, Q, A, B, C, D, F, J, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, right? K, R, and S. Now E comes before I, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, perfect, E, comma I. Now where is this P? P is here, but I don't take this P. What does this P is having at the first character? For the first character, I have M. So let me write M here. Now I'll go to A. Where is this A present? A is present and the parent or the first character itself in this is A itself. Now go to R. Where is this R? And the first character is K. Let me write it S and then K again. E and then E again. R and then K. M A K K E K. As yes, I am right. Now let's go again to the second example. Let me understand, right? HELLOWORLD. H and W. I'll write simply like this. E and O. Let me write it. E and O. I'm not writing in alphabetical order. L and R. L and R. L and L again. L is already present. No need to do that again. O and D. So I got this O here. So what I'll do is just expand this, write D, right, over here. Now if I write it in alphabetical order, H comes before W and A, B, C, D, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, A, B, C, D, M, N, L, Q, R, yes, R comes after L. Now I have hold. Where is this H? H is present here and H as it is as the first character is H itself. Now O, what is the first character? Is D itself. Now L, what is the first character? L itself. Now D, what is the first character in the set where D contains is D itself. HDLD. I hope I am correct. Yes. Now I have the third example. Let's go and solve the third example. L and P. Let me write it L and P. E and R. Let me write it E and O. E is already present. If you see, and O, I need to push that back. T and G. T and G. And C and R, right? C is not present. R is present. O and A. O is present, right? A. Now D and M. D and M. E and S. E is already present. If I write it over here, that's it. Now, if you see L and P, L, M, N, O, P, L comes before P, A comes before C, and C comes before E, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, J, K, G, and then I'll get T, right? And first D and then M. Now source code. Where does this S present here? And I'll write the first character A. Now O, where does this O present here? And the first character is A. U, where does this U present? No. If I doesn't have U, I'll write there itself. Now R, where does this R present here? And A is the first character. C, where is this C present here? And the first character is A. E present here and A is the first character. C present here and A is the first character. O present here and A is the first character. D present here and D is the first character. E presents here and A is the first character. A double A U 5 times A D A double A U 5 times A DA. I am perfect. Right. Now, let us see how can we implement this actually. Now, I have 26 characters itself. I only have 26 characters. No need to worry about that. Now, when I go to M, I am searching for P. When I go to M, I have to go to P and make it write the answer or the character for that P, right? For that M. Now when I go to A, I go to A itself. When I go to A, I go to A itself. When I go to O, I need to go to A, right? I need to store A. When I go to S, where is this S? Yes, M N O P Q R S is here, and I need to go to R. For S, the answer should be R. If you see, for K, the answer should be MNJK, right? K, the answer should be R. Now, for E, the answer should be I. I need to store in this way. But how do I store this? Now I have just first thing, I have P and M. First thing, I have P and M. Let us write first thing, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, right? 23, 24, and then 25. If I write all those alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now, I got P and M. I'll go to P, I got 15. I go to M, I got, where is this M? 12. Now, 12 and then 15. If you see, what I said, I need to go and construct this in alphabetical order. So 12 comes before 15. What I'll do? 12 comes before 15. So I am just saying that 12, the parent for 15 will be 12. Okay, is it clear? Right. I'll just make this parent array again with the same things of let me just copy this 0 to 25. Let me copy this, right? I'm just copying this all. Now let me remove these alphabets first, right? Okay, now I got all these characters 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now, what I'm saying, for the parent of 15, it is 12. I'm just writing for 15, the parent is 12. But for every element or every number, the parent is it's 16, 17, and so on. But I'm not writing due to time, right? Now I got A and O. A and O. Where is this A? A is here with 0 and O is here with 14. For 14, I need to make 0. For 14, I need to make 0 as the parent. Okay. For 14, I need to make 0 as the parent. Right. Now, I have RKS. But before, let me go to EI and let me go to RKS afterwards. EI. Where is this? E is here and I is here. 8 and 4. 4 comes before 8. So, I will be making 4 as the parent of 8, right? 4 is the parent of 8. Now, let me go to R. Let me go to first thing. I got R and R, right? R and R. Where is this R itself, right? 17. Now, what I'll do? The parent of 17 is 17 itself. No need to do anything. Now, I got K, right? K, for that I got R. K and then R. Now 17 it comes before, sorry, after 10, right? 17 comes after 10. Now the parent of 17 will change now. The parent of 17 is 10. Okay, the parent of 17 is 10. Now let me go to the last character R and S. R and S. Now let us see. R is 17 and S is 18. So 18 is less for greater than 17. So after 17 I'll be having 18, right? So the parent of 18 for now is 17, but it is not yet completed. For 18, I need to check what is the last or the first parent, the grandfather or something like that, great grandfather is 10. So where is this 10? 10 is K, right? That's what sorry, 10 is something like R. It should be, yes, sorry, it is K, right? So it should be K and we need to get that ultimate parent. Now, I need to write something like this array parent array. I'm just writing it with an array int parent of size 26. Now I need to find the great grandfather or something like the parent for 10 is 10 itself, right? For every element is just the element itself, the number itself. So int find of the last parent is if parent of x is not equal to x, what I need to do? Just take this example 18. Now parent of 18 is not equal to 18. Now what will be the parent of 18? It should be the parent of 17. So the parent of 18 will be the parent of the 17, right? So it will be something like find of parent of 17. So what is this? Sorry, parent of 18, right? Parent of 18 is 17. So the find of 17, find the parent of 17, right? How do I got this 17? I got this 17 by parent of 18. So parent of x is not equal to x. Then parent of x will be find of parent of x, right? So this is the condition. If not, return x. When if the parent of x is x itself, then I'll be returning x. Now at this point 10 will be written and it will be the parent for 17 and the 10 will be the parent for 18 also. This is how the union find function works. That means the find function works. Now how do I got this union find? Now if you see, I got x comma y just like 4 and 8. Now 4 comes before 8. So what I'll do, I'll just take parent of x is equal to find of x and parent of y is equal to find of y. Now, if parent of x is equal to parent of y, no need to do anything, just return. This is a void function for union find. Now, if parent of x is less than parent of y, this is greater, right? This is greater. What I said. So, at this moment of time, parent of this is greater. If you see parent of py will be parent of x, sorry, parent of y will be parent of x, right? Now, if this is the condition, this will be the thing which will be doing. Now, if not, parent of px is equal to py. That's it. This is the union find operation, and this is the find operation. This is the initialization of parent, and I'll show you the code and how does it works, right? So for int I is equal to 0, as I said, the parent will be itself every time. Parent of I is I itself. Now, union find S of I minus A and S2 of I minus A. This is because I'm just taking the numbers. I'm not taking the characters. If you see, I also here in the union find, I got numbers instead of characters. Now, union find, as I said, union find is somewhere like this. So, now, string answer is empty and answer plus is equal to character. Find of C minus A. Find the ultimate parent of this number and just adding the alphabet and converting it into character and returning the answer there itself. And you can find the code link in the description. And if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. And if you like this video, do share to your friends and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.